الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. All praise due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gave us the ability to do the Quran competition. Alhamdulillah, annual Quran competition for MIA. Wallah, it is an honor for every Muslim to see, mashaAllah, the shabab, brothers and sisters competing each other to memorize the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with high quality of memorization, tajweed, performance, even voice, subhanallah. This year, subhanallah, every year, alhamdulillah, getting better. This year, mashallah, was amazing. طبعا, if any participant did any category last year, they have to go higher. They cannot do same category because we want to develop them, not like same level. You have to go higher. When you participate in any category, you have to go higher for following year. طبعا, the purpose of Quran competition, obviously, to be connected with the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like daily. Even subhanallah with the Imam, if the Imam made one mistake, you know what does it mean? Encourages us and pushes us to revise the Quran every day, after Ramadan even, until next Ramadan. Wallah, we have to memorize, we have to revise every day. Subhanallah, one mistake here, encourages us to revise the Quran every day, until next Ramadan. طبعا, the purpose also to build Imams, to build a huffaz, strong huffaz. Alhamdulillah, and mashallah, the brothers and sisters, mashallah, doing a great job. Alhamdulillah, this year we have 183 participants, from half juzu until 20 juzu. And we have, alhamdulillah, 27 judges who joined us this year to help for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all of them and reward the helpers. Some people, they organize to register, to sign in, this and that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward every one of them, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, with the prizes today, inshaAllah, alhamdulillah, we have prizes worth of $18,000. Over 18,000. Okay, for all the winners. طبعا, we make dua for the one who donated this money. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless him and his family and his wealth. أسأل الله سبحانه وتعالى أن يبارك فيه وفي أهله وفي ماله وأن يرزقه السعادة في الدنيا والآخرة والطمأنينة وأن يصلح أهله أجمعين. طبعا, I don't know them, wallah. We just make dua, we don't know them. Only Allah knows. I don't know. Some people know, but not me. One thing, subhanAllah, which is, I think, very sensitive with the participant, which is many Quran competitions, there is no fairness. We tried our best for this competition to be like fair. Then, for example, if someone participated from Juz' 1 to Juz' 20, some ajza easy, some ajza difficult. Then I don't know someone personally, this brother, or you don't want to, okay, I'll choose easy Juz'. Number 3, I choose for, I know him and I choose for him. No. What did we do? We removed the names. We only kept the ajza. I don't know who's this. Okay? Then we chose the questions, the ajza, based on just the numbers. We don't know which participant. Also, with each question, there's like multiple choice. Like they have to choose, not multiple, like they have to choose from one option, more than one option. Then it's not like one question for each. Also, we have 3 judges for final. Okay, 3 judges. Alhamdulillah, with the result, all of us agree with the result. All of us, not like some agree, some disagree. Alhamdulillah. One thing with the participant, I had 2 students before. They want to do a Quran competition. I told first one, if you put your effort, even if you get 70, I'm happy. Because the point is not just to get first or second, to revise the Quran. Day and night, every day, mashallah. To be with the book of Allah, to live with the Quran. Second one, I told him, if you don't practice, if you don't put your effort, if you get 95, I'm not happy. Why? Because you get maybe higher, 100. If you are able to get 100, why did you get 95? Then the point is the effort, not only final result. Okay? Then what we're saying for all participants, Alhamdulillah, everyone is winning, inshaAllah. Everyone is winner, inshaAllah. طبعا the parents, mashaAllah, you have a great role, and we could see, subhanAllah, the result. Inshallah, we have the prizes, some of them cash, and some will be transferred. Any money more than 500 will be transferred, inshallah. Maybe tomorrow, bi'idhnillah azza. We have the names. I don't know if we have the bank details. Or
Yeah, it's in the envelope.
okay, alhamdulillah. Inshallah, أخونا, do you want to come? تفضل.
So inshallah, we'll start with the junior categories and we'll work our way up. So for half juz third prize, $100, Maryam Muhammad Ashraf. MashaAllah. Half juz second prize, Abdullah Aziz. His father's quite famous. And half juz first prize, Abdullah Comet. Comert. Yeah. Yeah, I mean taking photos. All right, we'll move to one juz now. One juz third prize, Asmira Muhammad. One juz second prize, Maryam Ihsan. Forgot to announce the prizes. And Muhammad Hussein is first in one juz, $300. Muhammad Hussein. Yeah, so second is $200, third is $100. $300. You're done. Okay. We'll move to two juz now. For $200, third place, Subhan Muhammad. Long walk from the back. Is that him? Yeah, it is.
Are you excited?
Yalla, yalla. For $300, second place in two juz, Abdurrahman. And first place for $500 in two juz, Abdullah Siddiqui. Now we move to the general categories for all ages. So for 5 juz, for $400, third place, Malak Marhaba. Is her father here or brother by any chance? No, it's not that Marhaba family. طيب. I'll just put it on the side. 5 juz, second place.
If they don't come, they lose. Go to the next one.
Second place, 5 juz for $700. Asma Khalaq. Ana Khalid, you can take it for his sister. And 5 juz first place for $1,000, Ishaq Etri. Is he here? I don't think he's here today. Yeah, maybe they're watching the live stream. We move to 8 juz now. For third place, $500. Zainab Khalaq. So Khalid again. Khalid's gonna keep all that money. He's not gonna give it to his sisters. 8 juz second place for $1,000. Ibrahim Kharkha. Just for a photo, Ibrahim. And 8 juz first place for $2,000. Ghassan Adra. He's not here today. He informed us already. But Mubarak to him. We move to 12 juz. Third place for $700. Muhammad Nu'man Khan. He's not here today. I think he's leading Taraweeh. Yeah. So we'll put that to the side. $700. For second place in 12 juz for $1,500, Ziyad bin Tariq Ad-Dulaymi. Beautiful. First place for 12 juz for $2,500, Abu Bakr Kharkha. So his younger brother's going to collect it for him because he's not here today. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, I know. Like, that's it. Now we move to 20 juz. 20 juz was very competitive, and the differentiating factor between first, second, third is 0.5 each person. Third place in 20 juz for $1,000, Ricky Aziz. His son's coming with him to get the money. For second place in 20 juz for $2,000, Ahmed Muhammad Karrar. He's also leading Taraweeh somewhere. How much? $2,000. For first place in 20 juz for $3,000, Adiyat Shamim. The first, second, third, none of them made a mistake, actually. That's how, subhanAllah, how high quality they were. Yeah, even some just like one tap, or they hesitated, or the tajweed, we were very specific about certain things. That's the level of, mashallah, these three brothers. Very competitive, and even fourth and fifth were very close as well. So Mubarak to them all, Allah Barik, they did an amazing job. And it's very hard to stand at the front, or sit at the front, and recite in front of people with difficult questions, the pressure. So, Allah Barik, they did an amazing job. The photo? The photo. Okay.
Inshallah, Jazakumullah khaira. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from us, and may Allah Azza wa Jalla reward everyone involved in this Quran competition. From everyone from the top to bottom, subhanallah. Subhanallah, wallah, it's not easy, over 2 days, ولا 3 weeks. Okay, over 3 weeks, we had, subhanAllah, 27 judges. Imagine, subhanAllah, like almost like 200 participants, subhanAllah. Send email, register, this and that, subhanAllah. So it's not easy, subhanAllah. May Allah Azza wa Jalla accept from us and يرزقنا إن شاء الله الإخلاص في القول والعمل. صلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. جزاكم الله خيرا.